Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Early today we had quite a bit of price action. Price dipped deeper into our yellow support area. It was worth to wait for this price action. To be honest, we've been waiting for this wave 2 correction for a couple of months, I think, and it was certainly worth to be patient and not to change the scenarios, even though it became very long and very boring, that price action. But it seems like we are finally following through. I've got a few things to talk about here with regards to the Ethereum chart. We've got still our 5-wave move to the upside, which topped on the 13th of July. The idea is that we're now coming down in this wave 2 correction, So this was wave 1, the top, coming down in a wave 2. Off the wave 2, we have an A wave complete, the B wave most likely complete as well. We're coming down in a C wave, even though it's looking like it's a very sloppy chart. Nevertheless, I've got a wave 1 in wave C already complete here on the 20th of July. A B wave which likely unfolded as a complex flat structure. And the third wave to the downside could still be unfolding. I don't have any evidence that the third wave has finished. Typical target would be the 1824 level here, the 1.618 extension for the third wave. Then we should get a 4 and a 5. At the moment, it looks like we might get somewhere into the area around 1780. Maybe even a little lower. If we get the first 5 wave up and 3 wave move down, so 5 waves up, 3 waves down, then we have the first degree of confirmation where we can say, okay, the trend is likely shifting back to the upside, but we don't see that at this stage. Important is that if you zoom out a little bit, you see relevant support here pretty much at this 1824 level. It's not only a Fibonacci extension target, which is relevant, it is also previous structural support, actually massive. So we've got here this area here on 7th of July, we've got here the 30th of June, we've got here the 29th of June, and there was a bit of an area of trade on the 21st of June. So I think the area around 1830, plus minus a few dollars, is a very relevant support level. So I will not rule out that the correction could be finished there, but until I see evidence, I would expect it actually to go a little lower, because it looks like that we're still in the third wave actually. Now, if this is not an ABC structure to the downside, but a WXY, it can always finish early and it might not get that last low. That is sometimes what happens. That is exactly what happened around the 15th of June, where we bottomed here. I think it looked like an ABC and maybe one more low, but it bottomed as a WXY structure. But I warned everybody ahead that this could happen, and therefore I already scaled in earlier, same way as I'm doing it here, scaling into these support areas. Obviously the chances are that if it turns around earlier, that not the entire position gets filled. That's fine. I would be happy with that, because it means the trade works out, even though with a potentially smaller position size than intended. But that is just the way it is. Okay, that's trading. It's rarely perfect. But yeah, overall, still lower prices expected, and I haven't even got the confirmation that this third wave is complete, as I said, and we'll likely go a little lower to complete wave 3, then wave 4, and then wave 5. That would be ideal, and then we should have this as a launch pad for higher. You always need to understand, when will this structure break? When is the assumption wrong? When does the alternate wave count play out? That would be below 1713. Yeah, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.